All right, next one. Y is more than 20. So what graph are you going to draw? You draw the equal to graph, right?
This one is dotted line.
Yes, good.
Or
Dotted
dotted
line.
line.
Okay, can you draw that?
Y. Like that.
Okay, good.
And y is 0, x is 20. Y 0,
Mm.
x 20.
So where's that?
Right. Here.
And one more?
One more is here.
That is when what?
One is x 0, y 20.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
0, y 20, man.
Huh?
You got
X0
x
is
minus y equals 20, right? When y is 0, yes, x is 20.
X.
When
When
x is
X is
0,
0,
negative y
negative
equals
20,
20, right? So what is y?
Y.
Mm.
Y is negative 20.
Negative 20, not 20. So it's down here. So you cannot draw, right? So can you choose something over here? Maybe 80 lah.
80. Yeah.
When x is 80, what happens?
Wait, teacher cannot 不能画 you can't draw the negative 20.
Oh, cannot law, they give you this graph ma. So you don't know.
Oh.
Unless you sketch your own.
So
Right. Otherwise you want to go down here. So that's why you take 80 lah. So when x is 80, can you find y? 80 minus y is 20, right? So where is y?
y is 60.
So where is 60? Mark.
Yeah.
Okay. When x is 80, not when x is 0.
Yeah.
Okay. And then okay, so you got a line already. And then the other one?
X.
Okay, now shape. First one, y is more than 20.
Y if more than is up. Yeah.
Okay, and then the other one, x minus y. Normally should label lah. Is x minus y equals 20, right? So now x minus y equals 20. This is a bit tricky. It's more than 20. So where do you share?
Which one is more than 20? Y or X?
That's why. So here, this is the equation, right? So if you want to see up or down, then you have to see the y lah, right? Up or down, then you have to see the y. So you have to see the y, but it's negative y. So what do you do?
Less than.
So that means y is less than, right? Y is less than, right? x minus 20. Less than means down, opposite already. So remember, if you're on the left side, y is negative, then you take the opposite one. So less than already. Then the other one, x is less than or equal to 80.
Yeah.
So your shaded region will be all that inside the triangle. Alex, are you okay? Are you following? Alex disappeared now. So okay, good. Can you follow video also you can follow. Only that part when Alex send WhatsApp that time you don't know what's WhatsApp. So what he sent in the group WhatsApp, then you can see lah. Okay, see.
See.
You try.
Y.
You do a lot of this many times, then you'll be faster exam time. Then won't so not enough time.
Sure.
Okay, good.
3y less than negative 5x plus 30.
Oh, so this is how 3y equals to negative 5x plus 30. So what can you put? Easiest is what? X is just 0 lah, right? X equals 0, what is y?
Y 10.
Okay, so you
Y
mark
is 10.
So mark the 0, 10.
X 0. Y 10.
Good. And then one more. What are you going to put? Now you clever already. Don't want to go and put that 0 one because not in the graph. So in the graph, one trying to put x is what?
X is 0.
Done already, ma. X is 0.
Oh,
So y is 10, right? Then one more point.
Y is 0.
So when you
X
put y is
is
0, can y is 0, can also. Then x is what?
negative 5x.
So when y is 0, you get 0 equals negative 5x plus 30, right? So how you want to find x?
Change to positive 5x equal to
Good.
30.
Good. Then what's x?
Then x equal to 6.
Good. So
30
divide by
divide 5.
That's 6. So where's your point?
Y is 0. X here.
Yes, good. So and then draw the line. Good. So this one is 3y equals to negative 5x plus 30. This one is y equals 6. Then one more.
One more. Sure.
Okay. So and then now shape.
Y is bigger than 6. If bigger is down.
Bigger is down. Bigger is down. Why bigger is down?
Or up.
Okay, and then
Then
now for this one is what?
y less than negative 5x
Less than is right.
than
Y
here.
less than is down, ma.
Yes.
Down.
Then
This
Here
one
too,
is here.
then x is let's do it. So where's the overlapping area?
Wait, teacher, it's x lesser than 2, right?
X is more than
Lesser.
it's
Hey, more
more
than.
than right. More than right.
More than.
So where's the overlap?
Yeah.
Huh. Right,
Here.
Jude? So then you have to erase the others lah. That small little there is where they all overlap. So exam you know already, then after that you have it. That's why you use pencil. Then you erase the rest. Right. So then erase the rest. That is the overlap. Got it? Alex?
Yes.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, then clear. Now we go on. But now the balik. Now they give you the shaded region. You tell what are the equations. So the example here. Okay. So you have like this, like that, right? So then one by one. What's the easiest one first? The horizontal and vertical lines. So this is what here, this side, right? This side is what? If it's a vertical line like
And
this,
6.
x equals 6, right? So then, but then it's on the left side. So what is it? X is what? More than or less than 6?
Bigger. More
X,
than.
Less. Wait.
X or this side or left side?
Wait, less than.
Right, not just 4 2 or this side, right? Less than, right? Less than 6. Less than why less than not equal to that?
Dotted line.
Dotted line. Okay, so you got one already. So you got one mark. Then another one. Another horizontal line. What is this?
Wait, horizontal is y, right?
Y
Yes.
is equal to negative 6.
Very good. Then the inequality.
Bigger.
The inequality is upright.
I think it's bigger.
So y is bigger than, the other one is y is bigger than negative 6, right?
Negative 6.
Okay, so 2 already. 1, 2. Then one more. You need this line. Wow, how to find this line? How to find equation of this line? You know gradient? Okay. Equation of straight line can have a general equation of y equals mx plus c. Do you know that? Do you know
No.
that? Don't know.
Don't know.
Y equals no.
Mx plus c. Don't know. Ah. You
Don't know.
learn this in what?
I
Straight
see this
line.
equation everywhere though.
Ha.
Yeah.
You learn
I don't know
this
what it means.
in form 3, form 2 eh. Form 2 eh. Given back your teacher liao. This one important for straight line. Okay, this one we call the gradient form of a straight line. Or straight line graph. Take note. Okay, why do we call this a gradient form? Why normally y equals something x, for example 2x plus 5. Right? Is this a straight line? You see like that one? X got no power, something like that. Is a straight line graph. But what do we know about this straight line graph? The 2 gives us the gradient. So the gradient is 2, the coefficient of x, which is that's why your m. Your m is the gradient. Okay,
What?
and then the c there. So we can dissect one or this. Whenever you see like that. So gradient is what? Gradient is 2. Okay, this form. Okay, gradient is 2. Okay, gradient is the coefficient of x.
Wait, teacher, where do you get 2x from?
I pluck from the sky.
What?
So I just give example.
Oh,
If
okay.
I have you have equation like this, right? So now I come out from this already, this question, not yet, because you all don't know this, y equals mx plus c. So I'm teaching you this y equals mx plus c. Okay, so when you see a graph like this, the 2 here, y equals 2x plus 5, 2 here is the gradient. Got it?
Yeah.
So important, I must know. And then what is the 5 here? Positive. 5 here is called the y-intercept. Okay, this the 5 here is your c lah. So gradient form is the whole thing. Okay, so what is it called? The gradient form? M is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. You know what's y-intercept? Y-intercept is where the graph cuts the y-axis. So for example here,
-6.
cut here, -6 is the y-intercept. So in this equation, what is the intercept? Positive 5 is the y-intercept.
+5.
Okay, so that's why you must be familiar with this y equals mx plus c. M is the what? Gradient. C is the what?
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept. This.
Then what's y?
Y, x and y is just in the point, then y, x. So then sometimes you don't know what is c, then but you know it passes through one point, then you put in the y and the x, then you can get the c.
Okay.
Mm.
So this applies
Okay,
here?
take note. This applies here. If not, you don't know how to come up with the equation. Understand? And this one is the gradient, right? Do you remember how to find gradient?
No.
Gradient, some from 2
Wait, teacher, if the y-intercept is negative, does it mean plus or minus? If it's
Minus
if the y-intercept is okay.
Then minus that number.
Okay.
So how to find gradient? Yo. Need to teach again. You know what's gradient?
The
This
line,
one. Gradient is the slope.
the slope.
Gradient go up. the slope, how steep the slope is. That's the gradient. Okay, and how do you describe how steep it is? You take the vertical distance over the horizontal distance. Okay, so like for example, if this is 4, this is 2, then 4 over 2 lah. Can ah?
Okay.
You understand? So that is the gradient. Your y over your x. This one is your y, right? The y distance, right? Difference in y, difference in x. So here in this case, what is the vertical distance? Can you see this triangle, right?
6.
Slope. Like that, 6. Because here 0, here 6, -6, so it's 6. Then here to here,
Also 6.
also 6. Then you see this slope is going up, right? So it's positive slope. You know it's going up from left to right, going up. Right, okay. Going uphill as your number of x increases. So now what is the gradient? So your vertical distance is 6, right? Horizontal also 6, right? So 6 divided by 6, what is it?
1.
1. So 1. So remember just now you said y equals mx plus c, right? What is m? M is the gradient, right?
1.
Oh. So y equals 1x plus c, lo? Correct or not? Are you following? We are finding the m. We want to do a equation, something like that, but we don't know. So now we find the m first. So we found the m is 1. So this one is 1. So y equals 1x plus c. But now we need to find c. 1x is x plus c. Then how to know c? Then you say, oh, this line passes through this point, right? 6, 0. Okay, 6, 0 is x is 6, y is 0, right? So can you substitute this point in here for the
C
x
is
and y?
6.
C is 6. So y is what? Y here is what? 0, right? It's x, is y. 0, right? Equals to x. X is what? And y is 0. X is 6. So
6.
6 plus c. So what is c?
-6.
We have to move, right? -6. So you know the c already. So then what is the whole equation now? We substitute the c. Y equals to x
X minus 6.
minus 6. Oh, done.
Ah.
Hmm.
Wait, teacher, how do you determine if it's an more than or equal to?
Then after that you see, this is the line, right? Y equals, this one shade where? Shade down, right? Shade down will be what?
Yeah.
More than or less than? Down
Less
is less than,
than.
right? Less than, and then got no dotted line, right? So got equal to x minus 6. Same.
Wow, this is a lot to take in.
It's long question. A lot to take in because you punya form 2 sudah lupa. Form 1 lupa, form 3 lupa, now you form 4. So they put in all the form 1, 2, 3 inside. You semua lupa, then have to come back again. And you all didn't take PT3 lah. That's why. Right, not? Didn't take PT3 means what? Never go and study back 1, 2, 2 form 1, form 2 lor. Then form 3 also hardly got any lesson, right? All online, right? And then also don't know what teacher teach all. So all gave back to teacher already lor. So now form 4, have to do back form 1, form 2, form 3. Otherwise cannot answer form 4. That's why I say actually no PT3 not good also. Right? It doesn't force the students to revise everything for 1, 2. Then when they go to form 4, like you all, charm. Form 5 even worse. Form 5, oh my God. I do form 1, form 2, form 3, form 4. Because all that I also don't know. Can only the last one difficult, right? Your y equals mx plus c, right? So we do one more, see. You write down first, whatever you need. And then any question you ask first. Take some water.